Hi, I'm Ben. Happy Friday. Welcome back to the bar. It's been a long week. I'm very happy to be here. I hope you guys have all had a decent week. So today we're going to make a Paloma Point. It's kind of like a Paloma, kind of like an Americano, except we're going to use mezcal. As usual, sourcing the ingredients has been an adventure locally. First of all, thank you, Dick, for sending me this recipe. It's great with the CBD in it. And also thank you, Jim and Rob and Betsy from the French Cellar for helping me pull together an assortment of ingredients. So this drink has three primary ingredients. One is going to be a mezcal. This is what we can get locally. It'd be nice if we could get a smokier one, but we're going to work with this. We've got three different sweet vermouths. The recipe calls for punta mes, which is 1.5. It's a point sweet, a half point bitter. We can't get that locally, so we're going to use what we've got. Again, we got this from Rob and Betsy. And then we got a few different Italian bitter aperitivo here, and we're going to use the Cagliari. It's a pretty good substitute. It calls for Campari, but as you can see, we're running low. So, first step, get a cocktail shaker and some ice. And then we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. And then 3/4 of an ounce of Campari or some kind of bitter liquor. Alright. And then a 1/2 ounce of the mezcal. I may go 3/4. I like the smell of it. And then we need about 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. I've already juiced it. I cheated. So 1 ounce fresh grapefruit juice. And then just a splash of bitters. Orange bitters would be better, but we don't have them. So just a little bit of regular bitters. Come on. And then you're going to give this a really good shake, like 10 seconds. Okay. Now get your glass ready. Highball glass, and we're going to do this a little differently. We're going to put a little club soda in the shaker so it mixes in when we pour it. And strain it into your highball glass with some ice. There we go. Now we're going to throw on some CBD. It seems to be the usual lately with these grapefruity drinks. I like the mango, so we're going to use the Shopee Special with a little mango. Put like 10 milligrams on the top. And we'll use a lemon for a garnish. The mezcal is quite smoky. It's a very interesting smelling drink. Between the smokiness from the mezcal and the grapefruit and the mango from the CBD, it's kind of fun. And this is a great drink. It's kind of a summery drink, but it's a little more gutsy than the ones that we've been making, which seems appropriate because it's not exactly warm. So we're making a hope for warm weather drink that's got some pretty serious backbone for the cold. So throw that guy in there just for fun. And then a couple straws, if you're so inclined. Okay, so that's a Paloma Point. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a great Friday and a great weekend. Thank you very much for joining us. As always, we'll see you next week.